how to fix notes not showing on iPhone in iOS 18. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix notes not showing on iPhone after update iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Apple ID. On the Apple ID page, tap on iCloud. On the iCloud page, scroll down, tap Show All. Tap on Notes. On the Notes page, turn on Seen This iPhone. Go back setting page. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. On the Notes page, all iCloud notes are showing on your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video.